Sunsky Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Sunsky's products and resources can be found in the description below. Sunsky is a wholesaler and dropshipping platform that specializes in electronics, accessories, and gadgets, making it a solid choice for online retailers looking to expand into the tech sector. One of the standout features of Sunsky is its extensive product catalog, covering everything from smartphone accessories and Bluetooth devices to home improvement tools and fashion electronics. This wide selection allows merchants to diversify their inventory and cater to multiple customer segments without partnering with multiple suppliers. Another advantage is Sunsky's direct integration with major e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and WooCommerce, which helps automate product import, order processing, and inventory syncing, saving store owners hours of tedious work. Additionally, Sunsky offers tiered discounts based on sales volume, meaning that as your store grows and you purchase more, your profit margins can increase. For merchants who worry about shipping speed, Sunsky provides expedited options to various locations worldwide. Though shipping times can still be longer than ideal for customers used to next-day delivery services. In terms of strengths, Sunsky excels at bulk pricing for merchants who might occasionally hold a small amount of inventory, or those looking to combine dropshipping with some wholesale purchasing. The platform's user interface is relatively straightforward, allowing sellers to easily search, filter, and manage product listings. Moreover, Sunsky's customer service is known to be responsive, which can be crucial when dealing with large volumes of tech products that may require detailed specifications or potential after-sales support. However, weaknesses do exist. Shipping from China can lead to delivery times of several weeks depending on the carrier and final destination, which may cause dissatisfaction among impatient customers. Another challenge is inventory fluctuation. Popular items may sell out quickly, leading to potential back orders or canceled sales if you aren't vigilant in updating your store's listings. The product descriptions provided by Sunsky may also need editing for grammar or clarity, meaning sellers should invest time in customizing listings for a more professional presentation. Overall, Sunsky is a smart option for dropshippers seeking a broad catalog of electronics and related accessories at competitive prices, provided they manage customer expectations around shipping times and take steps to maintain accurate product listings.